Why a smart digital tape measure should be your go-to measuring tool. Measurements are embedded in our daily lives. From interior designing to cooking, we are bound to measure something if we want to get the best results, and fitness tracking is no different. Accurate measurements are crucial for gathering beneficial data about your body. It helps you determine if your current lifestyle is working or if you need to change certain aspects. When talking about body measurements, you must have reliable tools to help you get the most accurate information. Fortunately, there are plenty of products out there, such as a smart tape measure, that can significantly help you reach your fitness goals faster. What is a smart tape measure? Aside from its core purpose of measuring your body circumference accurately, a smart tape measure also offers a variety of useful features like Bluetooth connectivity and app compatibility. These added benefits make it a must-have tool, as it allows you to automatically store your data, eliminating the need for manual transcription. What sets apart a digital tape measure from its traditional counterpart lies in how it displays measurement data. Using built-in sensors and digital displays, the modern tape measure provides highly accurate measurements while also being incredibly user-friendly. What makes a smart tape measure smart? You might be wondering what features make a device a smart device. Essentially, smart devices are products that can be considered as such because unlike their regular or traditional counterparts, these tools possess more features that make them more useful and helpful to their users. In terms of health and wellness, smart devices play a crucial role in helping us reach our lifestyle or fitness goals faster and more efficiently. Industries that rely on smart devices. Smart devices are everywhere these days. From adults to even children, everyone probably owns at least one or knows one kind of product that falls under this category. To give you a wider scope of things, these are some industries that rely on smart devices for their everyday routine. 1. Healthcare, wearable health trackers. 2. Manufacturing, AR and VR systems. 3. Transportation and logistics, GPS tracking devices and IoT-enabled sensors. 4. Agriculture, smart irrigation systems. 5. E-commerce, mobile shopping apps and voice assistants. 6. Construction, AR applications and construction management software. 7. Education, tablets and laptops. 8. Real estate, virtual tours and 3D visualization. A great example of a smart device is the Renpho Smart Tape Measure BMF01, with features that can help you accomplish your health and wellness goals, including accuracy and convenience. Forget about using your old tape measure to manually read and see if you have reached your target fitness goal. With this tape measure, you can use it as simply as wrapping the device around your body and checking the results on its LCD screen. Whether you want your data in inches or centimeters, you can check your measurements with ease. With an accuracy of plus or minus 1 millimeter, you can trust that it will provide you with accurate results. Automatic progress tracking. Unlike your old tape measure, you won't need a pen and notebook to manually take down your progress. Simply connect the device to the Renpho Health app, and you won't have to worry about measurements and calculations. It will automatically take note of your results and keep an archive of your current and previous data for future reference. You can also integrate the app with popular smartphone apps, such as Google Fit, Apple Health, Samsung Health, and MyFitnessPal for quick data recording and less risk of errors. Versatility and adaptability. Moreover, the Smart Tape Measure BMF01 is usable for a variety of different tasks. Whether you need to measure distances, circumferences, or angles, this tool has you covered. Its easy lock hook and eject design makes it even easier for you to make measurements on your body or wherever else. Which one should you use? Traditional or smart tape measures? While a smart tape measure seems to be the ideal choice, there are still considerations to be made. Depending on your specific needs and preferences, you might prefer one over the other. A traditional tape measure, despite its lack of features, boasts its simple and affordable design. Generally speaking, these do not require additional setups and are relatively cheaper. Moreover, most people may be more familiar with them and are more accustomed to using them. On the other hand, a smart tape measure often provides higher accuracy and precise measurement due to its digital sensors. In addition, it has more advanced features like digital displays, Bluetooth connectivity, and integration to popular mobile apps for enhanced convenience and productivity. It also offers more versatility, allowing for different measurement modes and reducing human error. Ultimately, the choice is yours. If you prefer a straightforward and cost-effective solution for basic measurements, a standard tape measure may be enough. However, if you value enhanced accuracy, advanced features, and the convenience of digital measurements and data management, a smart tape measure may be the device you're looking for. The final measurement. Smart tape measures revolutionize the way we measure, offering unparalleled precision, time-saving features, and versatility. Its enhanced functionality, seamless data transfer, and integration with fitness and health applications make it a comprehensive measuring tool. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional designer, or a health-conscious individual, a smart tape measure should be your go-to measuring tool for all kinds of tasks. You can elevate your measuring experience and say goodbye to manual data recording with the Renpho Smart Tape Measure BMF01.